Just 1 year after the show car's world premiere, Volkswagen is launching a special limited edition version of the ID.3 GTX FIRE+ICE, featuring a highly dynamic powertrain, exclusive paint, and rich design details. Like the legendary Golf II Fire and Ice, which was a surprise hit in the 1990s and has now achieved cult status among its fans, the model was developed in collaboration with performance sportswear brand BOGNER FIRE+ICE, part of the Munich-based luxury sportswear company BOGNER. In tribute to the original model's launch year, only 1,990 units of the ID.3 GTX FIRE+ICE will be available for order. Prices in Germany start from €56,020. Martin Sander, member of the Volkswagen Board of Management responsible for sales, marketing and aftersales, said, "Last year's show car was met with overwhelming interest. Many Volkswagen fans expressed their strong desire to see this car enter production, and we were delighted to make that wish a reality." The ID.3 GTX FIRE+ICE reflects the emotional appeal of our premium sports model while simultaneously carrying a piece of Volkswagen history into the electric future. Volkswagen unveiled the show car at the ID.Treffen in Locarno in 2024. Powerful engines, a large battery, and a high charging capacity. The ID.3 GTX FIRE+ICE is available with 2 engine options: 210 kilowatts, 286 PS, and 240 kilowatts, 326 PS. The electric motor produces a maximum torque of 545 Nm at both power outputs. The more powerful version, the ID.3 GTX Special Edition, accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 5.7 seconds, and the electronic control system doesn't activate until 200 km/h. This model also comes standard with a sporty DCC chassis. It's optional on the 210 kilowatts version. Electric power comes from a 79 kWh lithium-ion battery, NET, which can be charged at DC fast charging stations at up to 185 kilowatts. With this power, the battery can be charged from 10% to 80% in approximately 26 minutes. The total WLTP range extends to 591 kilometers. Personalized exterior design. The most distinctive feature of the ID.3 GTX FIRE+ICE exterior is its ultraviolet metallic paint. The unique color scheme pays homage to its legendary Golf predecessor, which was offered in a similar shade. The roof frame strip adds a sporty touch with its bold red anodized paint in flame red. The C-pillar is adorned with a clear matte decal featuring the geometric FIRE+ICE pattern. The roof spoiler also bears the Fire and Ice logo from the 1990s. Another highlight is the set of 20-inch Locarno wheels. These wheels, finished in ultraviolet metallic anodized paint, a high-gloss finish, and a striking red GTX center rim trim, emphasize the vehicle's dynamic stance. The latest generation LED taillights are custom-colored for the specific model. Light projections appear when the doors are opened, reflecting graphics representing the fire element on the driver's side and the ice element on the passenger side. Interior painted in "On Fire Red" and "Keep Cool Blue." Striking interior details. The interior features a 2-tone color scheme. The driver's side seats and stitching are accented with "On Fire Red," while the passenger side seats and interior feature "Keep Cool Blue" design elements to prevent frost. The steering wheel, dashboard, door trim, and floor mats are also personalized with colorful stitching and logos. The seats, inspired by the BOGNER FIRE+ICE collection, are quilted in a down jacket style, and feature zipper detailing and the FIRE+ICE logo on the interior. Extensive standard equipment. The ID.3 GTX FIRE+ICE comes with a range of standard features bundled in different packages. Interior Plus package, including premium sports seats with electric massage function, augmented reality head-up display, and Harman Kardon sound package. Comfort package, including 2-zone climatronic and navigation system. Assistance package, including Park Assist Plus, a rear-view camera system, keyless access, and ACC electronic distance control. Furthermore, both versions of the limited edition model feature a standard sports suspension. The 240 kilowatts, 326 PS, version also features DCC adaptive chassis control and is available with optional 235-inch sports tires.